guys, this is Dorothy Williams, otherwise known as Bastion. I'm here with my friend Dorothy. And well, I'm going to sing a song for you guys. It's called Teenagers, and it's by My Chemical Romance, and I hope you like it. They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with the gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things that you do. Because the drugs never work, they're gonna give you a smirk, 'cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They're gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds, another cog in the murder machine. They say all teenagers scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the cliques, the awful names of a stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They say all teenagers scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Whoa, yeah! I'm just going to stop there because it just repeats the chorus. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.